one tip. Today, start eating one tulsi patta. Weather is changing. So they go home and take that tulsi patta and eat. Now
That's
I'll
so
not
nice.
get cough. Like the small things now, additional. Go out of the way in your teaching. Give them the additional tips.
Don't prepare your
not
child for
farmers then,
marks.
no.
Prepare for them for the future. It's okay, no worries. ABCD. If today the child has not written, it's fine. Tomorrow definitely the child will write. And मेरा बच्चा like A लिख रहा है, उसका बच्चा B लिख रहा है, it's fine. No
It's okay,
worries. तुम्हारा बच्चा and always don't compare with other children.
Very
All are
right,
different.
very
All
right.
are unique.
They are like, from where are you learning? This is not for the syllabus, right?
Yeah,
This
correct.
is something additional you are doing, right? So this is for their health also.
Absolutely.
So we are just not grooming them with that only
Got it,
knowledge,
got it.
Life skills.
even the life skills.
The teacher should look at. It's not control. Go jaake like sit down, do that. No. Why do you want to do
Straight for your
that?
hands.
Just bond with them. You do it, they will follow you. You
Right.
can create a. See, teacher, they generally try to control the classroom. It's not about the controlling the classroom. It's a connection to the classroom.
What you
Connection
build,
between the bonding between the children. That's really the important thing. What
Hi everyone, I'm so super excited and also slightly worried to welcome the super strong, educators today. How many of you have actually heard this song? Hey dosti, hum nahi thodenge. So they both are just dost like this. They are known as Jay and Veer. So please help me welcome the two strong educators who is Renu and Shruti. So they come with almost around a decade of experience in the early childhood education. So I'm super excited to welcome them and talk about their journey, how they started as a teacher and grew into the academics, and also talk about a little bit about how the life journey or emotions are connected with the early childhood, because they need to decode the language of an early childhood, which comes with almost like 1 to 5 years of kids. Join me hands welcoming Renu and Shruti. Hi Renu and Shruti, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
And thank you so much
much.
for being a part of this today.
Thank
I'm
you
super
so
excited.
much.
I am also a little worried
Oh my
because
God.
both of you are teachers.
Oh
and I know
God,
you
don't
both are
tell
not
that, please, Chip.
studious
So हम लोग
teachers.
stick लेके नहीं आए आज. नहीं, just jokes
But I
apart.
know both of you are not studious teachers,
Yeah.
because I've always believed the more creative, the more naughtiness, the energy that the teachers bring in, that replicates
Definitely.
between from the
Totally believe
student
that.
side.
Totally believe that. So you
Absolutely.
can just enjoy today.
We might be teachers, but end of the day, like we are child also. So somewhere in the corner,
Yeah.
naughtiness, definitely we have that.
I've seen
that
that because
bachpana one is going to be like, we're going to be like as a kids here.
Absolutely,
So it's
absolutely.
not going to be like, yeah.
right.
So thanks for-
I think with both of you, you both are soul sisters from another mother.
Yes.
Okay, that's
Absolutely.
good to hear.
और जयवीरू,
Yeah.
what you told ना, definitely ये दोस्ती हमारी कभी नहीं छूटेगी. That
That's
is what
very
the bonding
nice.
we really
Yeah.
build in,
Be it what?
and we really, straight from my heart, I really love the way she is, and we really accept the way we are. That is what we never judge each other. That is what is a really.
मैं तो जज करती हूँ.
नहीं बस ऐसे बोलने के लिए बोल रही है, but
नहीं,
it's not the way
definitely.
she know.
Yeah.
I know she's always with me, and definitely
be
for her.
what we are there.
Yeah, absolutely, definitely.
That's
yes.
very nice, very nice. So one thing as teachers,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
First thing, decoding. If we don't know how to decode, it is a challenge.
Definitely.
The decode language of a child.
Child.
Okay, how is your experience there? How would you actually understand what a child emotion is going through?
No, actually, a child's life is very simple.
Really?
It is actually very simple. We can make out, they express very easily actually. You just see a child, you can easily make out the child is happy, he's not happy, satisfied, angry, they express very soon actually. You just have to be a child, understand, look at them, and they will express everything to you. Because
Okay.
they come to you only when you show your trust to them. When you're sincere to them, the sincerity automatically flows 100 times from them.
Totally,
Yeah.
totally agree with that, because generally as an adult, what we do, we know that enacting and all, we can do it. Definitely, even though I'm not happy, I can show you that I'm happy person, right? It's like I can do that acting because I know that could be done.
cover
But
up,
children
yeah.
are not like that. They're really innocent. Whatever they feel, definitely the emotions come out from them. And even when we are talking, as you told, like how do we contribute, like how do we talk to them, see, non-verbal communication also helps them a lot to understand. Like, for example, children are like, first day they come, we will not be knowing like
Yeah, the
whether
strangers, yeah.
they are like, they speak Kannada, they speak Tamil, they speak Telugu, whatever language it might be, really, like they may come with a different background. But when I come here, sit down, like all these things,
One
definitely.
small high five,
Yes,
one
one
small hug
hug.
to them, they
Absolutely.
start connecting with you very fast.
Absolutely.
And even they let's look at you, they wait for us to talk to them actually. The day you don't tell them hi, they see something is missing. They themselves will come and hug you and tell you hi.
Okay.
You know, it's
so that
that.
means it's not the language, it's the emotions.
Yes, it is
absolutely.
totally an emotional bonding what you share at our school. Yes, unless you are a child, unless you're pure, unless you're selfless. You just go and do it, and they'll give you 100-fold, and that keeps pulling you
Absolutely.
back to the place.
See,
yeah.
teacher, they generally try to control the classroom. It's not about the controlling the classroom. It's a connection to the classroom.
What you
Connection
build, yeah.
between the bonding between the children. That's really the important thing what the teacher should look at. It's not control, go jake, like sit down, do that. No. Why do you want to
straight
do
for
that?
your hands.
Just bond with them. You do it, they will follow you. You
Right.
can create that magic in the classroom. If
Because
you-
that becomes a second home, especially when it comes to the
Definitely.
early childhood. You know, they would have been bonded themselves only with their family,
Home
mama,
and
papa,
family, yes.
grandma, and then suddenly they're
Totally.
being pushed for 3 to 4 hours in a school. It's not easy to handle them because it's a new environment for
Totally.
them. They're new people to them, new language to them, new sign languages also for them.
Totally, and too many people around them suddenly,
Exactly,
it's a different feel for them and for parents.
Right.
That I'm
But
sure.
how do you handle that kind of situation? Like, example, if you have to say, suddenly the school reopens. Okay, they would have not even experienced a school life and they have not seen anybody around people, where there are more kids along with them.
Yeah.
Okay, suddenly they come, they see all new people. How would
them,
you
trying
handle
to take them inside
I know,
to
I
unknown
know, I know,
place.
I know.
The easiest was then carry them, hug them. They start feeling comfortable.
And leave them. It's
Yeah.
okay, whatever. It's not like first day they have to learn everything. They have to do this. It's my plan, today's lesson plan. I have to complete. It's okay, leave it. It's fine. 15 days, it's okay for that, okay?
Okay.
Let the children settle down. Let that bond build between you and that child. Then automatically, whatever you want, you can make them do it.
But tell me one thing,
Yeah.
today's world, okay,
Yeah.
how passionate the teachers are about their work. Because I've seen quite a lot of people, they say, okay, fine, instead of sitting at home, okay, let me 3 hours, 4 hours, let me go, at least I get some pocket money ke liye. Right?
Definitely.
They don't come with passion like the way we used to. Like our teachers used to come with that
Absolutely.
passion and all. But do you
Definitely.
feel somewhere that lack of passion of late? Because even for especially when it is early childhood, either you will have to clean this, you will have
Yes.
to clean
Very true, very
everything.
true. Totally agree.
Totally, you can become an auntie, you can become an ayama, you can become a daima for her, you can become a didi for them, you can do anything for a child. That's why when your love counts there. Yes, many people come into this field for the hours of working. They think preschool it's the easiest. Jao ABCD chikao, jingle jingle karao, and your work is done, and you can come back by 12:31. It actually doesn't
Absolutely,
happen that
absolutely.
way. It's a lot of work behind what happens for a teacher. Actually, you need to be prepared for the day. You have to learn new things. They get bored very fast. Like you see a child, you give them a toy, they play for some days, and they want something new. So you have to keep creating yourself in a different way. You might have to voice modulate, you might have to sing, you might have to dance for them, you have to become a joker in front of them, do whatever they like to.
Okay.
They like to see that. Yes.
So we play
So-
different role,
Absolutely,
different
absolutely.
role in one frame.
Absolutely. See, when we go to
Totally.
I think
It's
when we go
vast.
to our childhood days, we definitely remember our teachers. They are the like architects. They are the sculptures for us, right? They have built that. And we really remember our teachers. Definitely. I mean, even if you recall, I think,
Yes, I do.
definitely the
Until
pre-prim.
unless she has really
Yeah.
shouted and put you out of the class. Huh?
See, all those things,
Otherwise,
see, that
yes.
is because the discipline what they wanted to bring in us. It's not because what advantage they will have it, right? So that commitment, even though we don't give that, but still next day they're ready to teach you. That is what is the passion we really require in the teacher.
The teachers.
Because
And teaching alphabets and numbers, everybody learns end of the day. It's what makes the childhood very memorable is those happy hours we give them. that happiness and the joy of being there with you. If you give them that, they'll definitely remember you and learn easily from you.
Okay.
And if you teach them wrong also, they say, my teacher taught me,
Yeah.
it is correct.
How cute.
That is the trust they give you, because they're giving them that love.
Love.
Give them the love, they are yours.
See, even we
They
have
are 100% yours. They surrender to you.
I know,
It's
man.
that.
Very
So we cannot be injustice. We are somebody's trusting you. Some child is giving herself to you, it's totally surrendering. With today, Renu ma'am is now there. I'm not going to school. Anytime we
But I
take
think-
leave,
I
we
think-
feel guilty.
I know,
The children
I
are
know.
going to miss you.
Miss
What are
you.
they going to miss?
Absolutely.
That kind of guilt start, that kind of bonding develops there.
See, even as a teacher, I remember when we were like on leave or something, evening we used to call up and check, आज क्या हो यार, please बोल
Yeah,
दो,
was it
ये
all
ना आई थी
okay
तो
at
all,
school,
oh,
you
that child came without crying ना, वो बच्चा happy था ना,
settled,
because
yeah,
we
that
were
was kind
worried,
of-
because वो था हमारा बच्चा है. See,
This
one
is the passion we want in the today's teachers to have, that kind of a feeling, and come with a purpose, just not for time pass or something. You develop a bond, there's no stop for you then. You
Correct.
keep growing every day.
See,
But do you think somewhere right now the industry is moved into a different stream? Like, people
Yes.
want their comfort zone, people want that luxury, people want that fantasy treatment from the organization. Surrender a basic thing. You give me ABCD, I'm going to teach them and I'm just going to say. How much of that eagerness is there saying that, dude, I am actually building the future citizen.
Yes.
I need to nurture that
Definitely.
values in the kids. Do you see that lack right now, or how it is before?
It's equally present everywhere, I think. You have both kind of people. You
Absolutely.
have all kind of people in every field. Wherever you go, you'll see all kind of a mixture. But yes, once you have that passion, automatically it comes out.
See, that spark,
comes out.
I think that spark,
And you
even
survive
if we
with the
ignite
field.
somewhere, right? It's not like, see, some teachers, they may have it, they may not show it. So somewhere, if we ignite that spark, definitely, I think the commitment, what they can give will be really to another level. Okay, they should feel that. I feel really, even I think Renu also will agree with my statement. Like when we have a class, like if I'm a class teacher of LKG or UKG, whatever it might be, I need to be possessive about my children. It's okay. There's nothing wrong being possessive. They are my children. How mother is possessive about
class.
their child, in the
My
similar way,
kids.
my classroom it is. I am very particular. My child, how the child enters the classroom or enter the school, the same
That
way
should
it has to
stay
reach
in
home.
the class.
I don't want any scar in my child's face. I don't want my child to fall down. I don't want my child to cry. That is definitely I don't want, because they are my children.
Exactly.
That possessiveness, I think every teacher should
Teacher
have
should
it. It's
have
not
that,
like, okay, morning coming,
My
mera
child
lesson
should
plan
come.
hai, khatam karo, done,
Done.
and
It's
go home.
Okay, yeah,
Done.
it's
Mera
okay.
time,
Yeah,
okay,
but
let
you
me
start
leave
giving
now.
that
No.
extra love to
Yes,
the children.
little
to your
extra
class.
mile if you go, definitely I think you can enjoy the teaching profession. Definitely
very
yes.
nice.
Yeah.
And I think equal contribution coming in from the parent side is also very important.
Very
because
important.
I hear what you're saying, that because you're possessive about your teacher, your kid, you don't want them to be hurt, not to be falling down or have a bite or a scratch. But I think the same way, even the parent also have to be possessive, but they also need to be
Learn.
not too sensitive.
Yeah, that definitely.
It's fine for a kid to fall,
No.
get up.
I'm so
and
glad
run.
you brought this up actually, Shamini. These days, parents are so protective about their child. They are ready to give them the pathway. They give them a cushion to walk on. They give everything. The child should not get poked. They get all kinds of shoes for the child. Let the child fall. We
Exactly.
keep telling them it's okay if a child is fall. Yeah, so we don't. It doesn't mean
We
the
don't
teacher
want
can make them
actually,
fall.
yeah.
It's not that.
Got it,
It's
I
about
hear you.
when the child is playing, it's fun. It's fine. They will get up. So we want the parents these days, parents to give that push to the child. It's okay. If you're hurt, it's fine. We'll get hurt.
Get up,
You will.
yes.
That's how you grow. We should give those kind of value to children. It's fine. It's okay. And today you're fallen. Tomorrow you'll be more careful. That's how the
Correct.
child learns to be more careful.
Right. I think
Yeah.
because of this generation,
Yeah.
parents,
Yes.
they have seen a lot of comfort and they feel that their
Definitely.
kids
Easy
have
life.
to be treated
Correct.
very well. They don't want them to see any kind of hassles, no hurdles, all
Totally.
comfort zone.
Very
but
true.
they're not realizing that if they don't go through those hurdles, they don't take the
Correct.
pain,
Definitely.
tomorrow they will not
Absolutely.
have the taste. Tomorrow
Yes.
they will not
Correct.
be able to face the struggle if they go through.
Very true.
Totally.
Right?
It is
See-
very important for a child to go through each and every emotion of even falling, getting up,
That's okay.
getting hurt, knowing if it's wrong also. If we keep telling them, don't do this, don't do that, the child will never understand what is don't and what to do.
What to do? Very right.
It is until as they experience
Yeah,
themselves,
correct.
it is a different feel for the
Very
child
right.
to remember those lessons for longer time.
Longer, right.
And they have become more experiential. That's why I think teaching field is changing now.
Correct.
Than doing the
Hands-on.
normal thing, hands-on, it's more of hands-on. experimental learning is happening. That is the why the change is coming into the education field actually.
I think that's more
that's
important
more
because
very
you're-
important. Yes,
Correct.
Early childhood especially is the time that you nurture them very,
Very
well.
true, very true.
Totally, and
In
these
terms of
values carry.
values
Absolutely.
carries.
See, we generally tell
Totally,
that, like butterfly life cycle and all, we just study in the book. Let's implement in our life. The parents should be like that. It's okay. Let them come out of the shell on their own. Let them
Totally,
fly. It's fine if they may fall down. They may like nature only teaches us a lot of things.
Very
I think we need to learn from the nature how the young ones are taken care. They leave. It's okay. Even if they fall, whatever happens, but they learn on their own. But as a parents, like a human, what we do is we always like we don't want them to come
Protect
out of
them
the
too
shell.
much, yeah.
We always like protective.
I love
Night.
them.
ಅದ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಇದು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಲೈಕ್ ಏನು ಲೈಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ
Protective ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ
ಅಷ್ಟು protective ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
Shouldn't be.
ಮುಂದೆ ಸಚಿನ್ ತೆಂಡೂಲ್ಕರ್ನ ನೋಡೋದು
How do you
ಯಾರು?
see? I know.
ಆಯ್ತಾ? PT ಉಷಾ ನೋಡೋದು
I
ಯಾರು?
think actually true, actually. Very true.
And I'm sure the parents allow them to fall and not be inside the house.
Exactly, right?
Give an iPad or a TV chala ke de do cartoon and you're inside the house. How will the child grow?
ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಜನರಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಿದಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಕೊಂಬ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಜೊತೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ದಟ್ ನೆವರ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೇ ಓದಿದ್ಯಾ ಓಕೆ ಡನ್ ಚಲೋ ಡನ್ ನಾಳೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವಿತ್ ಅವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ದ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ PhD कराना है first like छोड़ो बाबा
marks and how much
marks
you know.
don't
It's
prepare
not
your child
how
for
much they
marks
know.
prepare for them for the future it's okay no worries ABCD if today the child has not written it's fine tomorrow definitely the child will write and मेरा बच्चा like A लिख रहा है उसका बच्चा B लिख रहा है it's fine no
It's okay,
worries तुम्हारा बच्चा कल D भी लिख सकता है it's fine छोड़ो let them learn and let them enjoy that learning
Correct.
है ना
Yeah, you should
so
enjoy learning,
I think
yeah,
that
totally.
parents should think it's okay fine if my child and always not don't compare with other children
Very
all are
right,
different
very
all
right.
are unique every here we are sitting we all might be unique in our own ways
Very right.
everyone
Very
have
true,
their own
very
strength everyone have their own weakness and it's okay let's accept what we are right so I think even the child also should be left to understand what the child is and based on the spark I think we need to like let them bloom in their field whatever they love
Very
Let them
right.
choose their toys.
Choice.
That's also
Yes.
very important. Let them choose. Let them have the choice of choosing. It doesn't mean they're very particular. मेरे को यही पहनना है, but parents should have the control also. You know where
Correct.
they love.
हाँ,
That is
हाँ.
very important. What they are loving and where they are loving. So
I
that's
think
when the
awfully
right parenting
important,
happens.
you rightly said, right? Because I've seen, you know, a few people are always saying that, no, my daughter likes only this, so get this done.
You're giving that ideas to the child.
Child,
You
yes.
like it and they encourage that
I will
by
ensure you
clapping
get it.
and happy and discuss the same thing in front of the child. Never discuss about the child, the way child is behaving in front of the child. The child learns it that I am doing the right thing. Even he or she starts showing some tantrums and say my child is crying if I don't give, so I'm giving it.
Giving it.
So the child is learning those happens. The child is becoming what you're making the child become.
No, even
Yeah, it's
I
all in your
correct,
hands.
absolutely.
How
I
we are
remember this when you told, like even my daughter when she was in a playgroup or nursery, I think when I went to the PTM, the teacher told, "See, show, your daughter don't like to color any of the things." I told, she loves coloring. How can you tell this? But I see that always it's a pink crayon. Even the crow is pink, lion is pink. What is this? She need to learn. I told, it's fine. Her crow is pink, Baba. Why you want that to be black?
Why the crow
It's
has to
fine.
be-
Crow always her in
Colour
her
crow.
own way. She thinks that it can be a pink. It's fine. Leave it. Her lion is also pink. It's fine. I'm happy with that. Why you're forcing her to
Correct.
make it black? Make it even the scenery also. We had that one house, char
Sun
panch,
and the mountain like
Yeah.
crow and those RR crows on
Yeah,
top.
why same view? Now also if we give, I think we will draw the same
We
thing.
will draw the same kind of
So
a
let them
house
come
and
out.
nadi.
Nadi and all
Nadi
that,
is all
I know.
there, yeah.
And also one hen here.
Ah,
And then
on
one
top
boat.
of the hot one.
Boat and pani beh raha hai. I
I
think all
know.
these things. So it's
a
okay.
common, see, we all have learned the same traditional drawing, the
Exactly.
traditional way of living, and today we didn't discuss this. Suddenly it came, and everybody has the same drawing in
Yeah.
mind.
See?
Because
even
we were so narrowed in our
Correct,
learnings.
correct. Even abhi, if we are given the papers also, we will draw the same thing. End of the day, हम लोग को तीनों का same आएगा.
Same ही आएगा. That
Very
is the
true.
way we
But
are.
आजकल के बच्चे it's
आजकल
not like
education
that.
is not
They
that.
are different. Let them do it.
Nobody
okay?
will have the same papers. Nobody will have the same thoughts these
Correct.
days. Everybody
and
thinks
different color
different.
combinations also.
Yes,
If you
yes,
see-
yes.
If you give it to 10 people, then different arts will come out from
Yes,
it. 10 different
totally,
creative way will
totally,
be coming.
yes.
And even it could be even into the colors and everything because all their emotions is what
It comes
they're gonna
out
put
through
down.
that. It's only when you allow them.
Very true.
Otherwise, you just give them the colors, water is blue, do blue color, take these colors and do it, they get narrowed
But somewhere again,
They learn those things
right.
only.
And also, I think we should not be putting a stop saying that why you're coloring sky only blue.
Yeah.
Bring in your own creativity.
Exactly.
No,
Correct.
that's
Very
Allow
true.
them to
Very
think.
true.
That's important.
And sometimes we tell, okay, don't do this, what they will think. It's fine. It's okay. What they think, it doesn't matter for us.
Yeah, we put those thoughts in the
Yeah,
mind
we
of the child.
actually put those. Definitely,
Okay.
I think.
And that's where we stop.
Totally, we pull
Ask
them
them.
out. Yes.
They also
Actually,
thinking the same. They also start thinking the same thing. Let's not do it. Oh, kya sochenge? All those things start like that thought process definitely it comes.
Right. I know both of you come with different family background.
Yeah.
Right. If I have to talk about Renu,
Yeah.
Renu, I think very studious, very naughty person in school, and Renu has a second name which is Vandana.
Yeah.
Right? How did
No,
Vandana?
आज से
how-
मेरी
very
वीरू को मैं
few-
वंदना बुलाऊंगी.
V for
V
Vandana,
for Viru. Okay.
So how
yeah.
did Vandana change to Renu?
Yeah, it was a very different story actually. Vandana was a very simple girl, very, very simple. I'm coming from Sindhi background where it's like, life is very restricted for a girl actually. Yeah. The girls are like not very thing, but my parents like, actually I wanted to become a doctor, dentist, and finally because of 5 years of education was too much. They know I had to get them married early. So finally, though I got a free dental seat in Dharmasthala. Yeah, that was the best college for dentistry that time, and yeah, I could have done that. But that time also we didn't stand for ourselves. We didn't know to take step for ourselves. Yeah, they said shadi karni hai, so whatever short course BSc was easy for them. BSc 3 years jaldi ho jayega. But he said I'll do engineering. They said okay, but any case you get some proposal, you have to get married.
Oh.
So my age, my cousins had already got married. Actually, my age of sare cousins, I was the last one to get married. So that pressure kind of started building on my parents, and I'm like, So I had understood life is for a girl is that marriage is the ultimate. Uske baad there's no life for a girl. That
Right.
was I've seen my mom do that. I've seen my ladies around my thing. So I know that after that she has to take care of the family. She has to take care. So my mind was kind of built that way. So,
But I think somewhere did you feel after marriage you lost your identity? You were just family,
Totally.
kids, completely.
Totally.
You
100%.
had-
I'd
you had
given, I
completely-
started totally 100% thinking that is my life. So I had disconnected with my school friends, my college friends, since my name changed. Like now, Vandana was my name. My friends knew as Vandana. Nobody knew I'd become Renu. Because I got married in my fourth year of architecture. I was doing architecture actually. The Anand Sagar College of Architecture. And suddenly that was a co-ed way. I've always come in a girls' school and all that. So that was my parent who used to always come to scooter to drop me and pick me up. And that kind of a shell I was in. So when I come to architecture, I was a little lost. To getting adjusted with the boys around me, talking to boys. So something very new for me actually. So in between I got married and I
Are you
had a different...
isolated completely?
Yeah, I had totally isolated. I had no connect with my friends and I had no phone numbers of my friends to call them. I didn't have my own phone to call them. Yeah, so it was I had totally disconnected with everybody. I didn't have any contact till 15 years of my marriage.
Oh my
After
God.
15 years, it was a very different journey for me, totally different. As I told you, I had accepted my life that way. I thought this is what it is going to be like. And you can be totally ghar, Sidi, Sadhu, Bahu I was. Like, take
my
care
God.
of father-in-law, mother-in-law, husband, kids and family around me. Everybody was my thing. So I thought it is my duty. I'm supposed to do it. Be it what goes through me. So that's
But
where,
that 15 years of isolation, just being a good mother, wife, and
Yeah.
daughter-in-law, and also being a daughter because you had to say yes to everything what your parents said.
Yes.
Okay, what made you to come out of that shell?
Okay, that's a very nice thing. That was actually the main reason was my mother-in-law. She was sick for some time. Yes, so I was like taking care of her really, like total 2 hours my feeding, dawai, midnight I should get up and take care of her. So all that was there. So after we lost my mother-in-law, we were kind of getting lost in myself. So like to keep myself a little busy, I started taking part in those complex events. I used to go and teach kids dance program. Independence Day, I made them do all skit and all about Independence Day. So small skits I was thinking. So I used to be a different person when I'm doing that. So my daughter then realized you are enjoying when you are with kids. Why don't you go apply to a school sometime? That after we lost for 2 years, so generally I just went out applying for job and only for schools because that it was yet my guilt. I'm supposed to give time to my father-in-law. because he's lost his
Lost
wife.
his
He
wife,
will be in a position where he needs more care, and now because mama is not there, so papa needs more love and care at this stage. So I didn't want it to know that should I go out. So that was my elder daughter Karina. That's why she pushed me. It's okay. You come back by 1 o'clock. School gets over by 12:30. You're back home. Come and serve him food. So few hours. It's okay. You can go. You will feel better. She said. I said yeah, and I discussed this, and they said okay, go ahead, try.
Oh, nice.
I went with my driver, bethe car mein, and I just took an interview. They said yeah, from tomorrow you join. But yet I was not sure. As I told you, I was not yet prepared myself to go out. So I took a break again. Again, the opportunity. School was reopening on June. She's like, Mama, this is the time. Why don't you try again? So that's when I went to Sunita ma'am. And earlier I met her once during the complex event only. I had gone to ask that we are organizing an event, ma'am. Do you want to think? So I went to her. So she spoke to me, and immediately she said a yes again. So
Oh,
that's my life started changing at that point. That was the place where it took a turn. Yeah.
I think it's important for all the women to know one small courage, you step move forward. I think
yes, that day if I had yet
being in-
stepped back, I would have not been here today.
Yeah,
With
absolutely.
I would have been yet the same person yet. Today I'm more confident of myself. I can stand for myself. I can say somebody's wrong. I have the guts to say it's wrong.
it's wrong.
I had no guts that time. And I could see my children also, sometimes being hurt or something. I could not stand for them and fight for them then.
Aw.
Now I can stand for anything for them also and tell them, how dare you? I am there with them,
How cute, how
Very true.
nice.
Very
So
true. I
that
totally
I have
agree with
seen that little phase where I couldn't do anything for my kids, I felt. But yeah, it's a different story then. But yeah, I'm here today because of them actually. So yeah, they are part of my journey.
That's super good. Shruti, I have to talk more about you right now
Oh.
because somebody coming from a small town, getting adjusted to this, the metro city in
Yeah.
Bangalore. Okay, and you started off as a medical representative
Lot
and
of
things like
things.
that. What made you move that journey, and how did you adjust to this environment after marriage? You've spent a full childhood in a small town, moving into a city like this.
Seriously, it was even, I used to think like, I have come from the small place. Like Hospet, I am proud to tell that, okay? Hospet, I still keep telling Vijayanagara Samrajyadavar now.
Nice.
I know.
So it's not the less, definitely, okay? And my dad was like my hero. That's, I keep telling. And
His
positive,
values.
yeah, level game my dad had is like to another level, okay? My mom, she can't speak English, okay? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಶುದ್ಧ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮೈ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಟೀಚ್ ಮೀ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೇಳೋರು ಲೈಕ್ ಓದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದಾಗಬೇಕು ಇದಾಗಬೇಕು. ಮೈ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ವರೀಸ್. ಆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ 3 ಸತಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡು, ಅಮ್ಮಗೆ ಹೇಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಯಾ ಅಪ್ಪಂದ್ರ ಆ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಮೀ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ, 1 ವರ್ಷ ಫೇಲ್ ಆದರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಫೀಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟೋದಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಕಟ್ತೀನಿ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ, ಐ ರಿಯಲಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ನೀವು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ವೈ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ವರಿ
That's
ಅಬೌಟ್
so
ದಟ್.
nice.
ಎರಡು ಸತಿ ಓದ್ತೀಯಾ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್
Yeah.
ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೆವರ್ seen him like, even though he had lot of things, okay, but never he had complained the life. Even my siblings, like ನಂಗೆ ಅಣ್ಣ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಕ್ಕ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, the amount of support they have given me. I am the youngest one. So they have taken care of me like really, ಆ ಥರ like I can't even express like how they have, what they have given me. I think I can't give it back to them, the way they have taken care of me. Okay, I still feel like my Anna, like my sister, I don't know, like I really love the way they have taken care. Okay, no, it can't be measured
Cannot be
and
replaced.
Yes,
Yeah, cannot be
and I can't even express. I feel okay. That's what I have got it from them. And ಸಣ್ಣ ಊರು, ಲೈಕ್ ತುಂಬ ಲೈಕ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್, ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇತ್ತು. ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮೈ ಕೂಪ್ ಮಂಡೂಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಪಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ಐ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅನ್ ಓಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾಲಿಡೇಸ್ಗೆ ಅವಾಗ ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ನೆವರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಕ್ಕನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಅಕ್ಕ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ಹಾಲಿಡೇಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್. ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮೈ ರೊಟೀನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ once I got to know that yes, I'm going to stay in Bangalore. Okay, and really appreciate my husband for that. Okay, we got 7 months time to understand each other. Okay, that is what he told me, like, Shruti, it's okay, no worries, think you are the best. Okay, dunya chahe bhaad mein. Okay, you think you are the best, and if you are not able to communicate, it's their problem how they understand. You start speaking
That's
whatever
amazing.
you know. Okay,
That's really good.
It's
Yeah,
okay.
so
No,
that's
that
kind
is
of a
what.
support, for the family support really
Very
matters,
true.
and tells them it's okay, you go do it.
Yeah. Do
You are
it.
doing a great job. Bas.
It's
We
their
are there
headache to
clap
understand
that.
also.
Yeah, I
That's
know.
it.
And really, I remember I used to stay in the apartment initially, like akka pakka manevaralla different languages, maybe like Hindi, like I learned here, communication irbodu, English and all. They were like super fast. Okay, I never used to think like Mara. Like I used to think, I used to frame my sentence. Then I used to like
Talk and,
speak
yeah.
and all those things. But
Did you feel that I'm covered somewhere? I'm feeling insecure because I'm not to their par. ಆ ಥರ ಏನಾದರೂ how would you
See,
face
initially, yes, I felt it. But I really give the message, whoever comes from the small town, it's not about the town or it's not about the area where you stay. If you are ready to do it, please go for it. Okay? Definitely something will push you. Some driving force, you'll definitely give that push to you where you want to achieve. Okay? Don't stop yourself. That is what. Believe in yourself. And family is there to support you, and very lovely.
You will reach what you want to
Lovely
do it,
people are there around you who are always ready to help you. But don't stop dreaming and don't stop not thinking about that. It's you want to do it, please go for it. It's okay. I may make 100 times mistake or whatever it is. I may learn from it, and again I can bounce back. Anytime I can bounce back. So never stop dreaming and never stop thinking that I can't do it. It's just a small town. Arey, Bangalore is a big place. How do I survive here? That's all different.
different thing.
Okay.
We should take that first step, I think.
Yeah.
That first step is in our hand.
Yes.
Unless we
think
have the
that
courage
is
to take that.
both of you have really taken that courage to put the step forward.
step forward,
And I think
yeah,
a
it's important.
lot of women, they really need to hear that out, because they would just cover themselves in that shell. Example, if you have to talk to you, okay, family ho gaya, mera bacha, then my
Bade
husband
ho
and
gaye,
this thing, and you
papas.
again coming from that town, you did not, your surrounding was more already, talking good language, and they were more faster than what you have seen the
Correct,
life, and
very true.
adopting to that kind of an environment and say, dude, I'm already here, don't worry, I'm coming
Correct.
to challenge you.
Challenge you,
It's just
exactly.
not an easy saying that, okay, fine. And I'm sure we would have seen that Hazel saying that sometimes demotivated, I don't know how to face them. It could be even in the language, it could be in the way that we present ourselves also, right? And definitely it wouldn't have been easy for you to convince your family also to come out. Okay, and also when your husband is already settled down in this kind of an
Correct.
environment, and I think he gave you a good push to say that
Absolutely,
stood by
really,
you, right?
And even
Family
ನನಗೆ
matters a lot, I think.
absolutely family to
Family
definitely
to, unless they say yes, okay, it's okay. That one word, it's okay, you go, we are there to
we
to
are there.
manage.
That will
To manage,
definitely give
yeah.
that driving force. I still believe that. Even ನನಗೆ in-laws also, I'm really appreciate them. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾವ, like whenever he comes now, whenever we, like as a conservative family, like ನಮಗೆ ಹಬ್ಬ ಅನ್ನೋದು, it's like a festival, it's a big celebration. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. But my father-in-law, he always used to tell me that, Shruti, it's not about you cooking, okay? It's always a division of labor. Okay, he always used to make this statement.
nice, no?
Okay, let's
I see, I really admire for that. But I think घर में everybody does work, yaar.
Yeah,
Starting from
correct.
everything. They don't see it as like lady should do jadu pocha,
Yeah.
or jadu should
It
do
was
butter.
never designated job.
Everybody, it's like can do anything, anybody. Anybody can do anything in
That's
their house.
amazing.
So I'm like, oh my god, यहाँ पे सब कर रहे हैं यार, मेरे घर में कोई नहीं करता है.
No, it's not.
So it's
Never,
always-
never. It's been designated.
Yeah.
Okay, I have to cook all the time. I have to clean the job. It's like my mava. Adhe na heltinala. He was very clear.
It's totally different,
Always,
yeah.
it's a division of labor. It should not be one person always.
That's amazing.
One person has to do and all others have to sit and eat. He was very clear on that. ಒಬ್ರು ತರಕಾರಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಒಬ್ರು ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಒಬ್ರು ಕ್ಲೀನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಒಬ್ರು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So it was
Very
like
sweet, yeah.
everything. Like end of the day, we all sit and enjoy that.
together.
That's so
Yeah.
beautiful.
So I really,
so
nange
beautiful.
in-laws also, I really have to admire them and
Yeah,
appreciate them. They welcomed me. They accepted me whatever I am here.
See, I think because of those strong values and
Actually, yes.
internally with the family support, and each one of you individually have experienced a lot. I think that's the reason both of you have been a successful teachers today, amazing educators, because it does not come very easily to everybody. With the you can surrender to it only with the kind of passion and the values that you carry. And I think that values also add up when you don't have a positive environment with you.
True. I
Right?
think,
Right?
and
Definitely,
one more thing, as
definitely.
Karina, like Piyu, like I see them like driving all the time. Renu, my daughter, really, she's like a great support for me, partner in crime. Anything we do, she's there with me.
See, I think daughters are more
Daughters
better.
are- yes.
Like, they are
They're
the-
like
The angels, yeah, they're
Angels.
Exactly, they're the angels.
Really,
behind,
I really believe they are the angels in our life.
They are
Definitely.
your best friends. they are ready to support, they're ready to cry. They are the ones clap when you take a next step.
And
They clap wholeheartedly, they make you feel so good what you're doing. I personally would have not reached here unless the thing, even when I tell them, oh Karu, I could not come to your school, your college and something, I could not, for Karina, elder one, I used to sit and make her study. I was a nice mama, sit and study and make her learn everything and explain to her. When it come to Priyanka, I had like already joined my this career and I was like, she's like, it's okay. I am there. I will teach her now. You go.
cute.
And when
Actually.
I get something, and the second year I got a teacher's award and all that, and they're like, "Oh my God, mama, come on!"
Yeah, actually,
So
that's
that is kind of it. And they used to come for all my events.
Oh,
My
wow.
first annual day, they were there. They come to all my events. They used to come even for our sports day, marathon or whatever. They used to come and clap.
Clappers. How
They just
cute.
clap,
नहीं मेरा
That's
like थोड़ा
small
different
things.
है. They are backstage heroes for me. Okay,
Ah.
they don't want to come in the
My
limelight.
husband is that way. He will not show himself. But daughters used to do that.
That's
Chalo,
very
chalo,
nice.
chalo,
हाँ,
times.
they do it, but they're all
Push.
backstage heroes.
Backstage,
Okay, they
yeah.
don't want to come in the limelight. They are like, Shruti, you do it, we are there behind you. Whatever is there, we are with
We
you.
are there, yeah.
For anything.
You both see a lot of kids in school every day, right?
Totally,
Do you
yeah.
see your kids in them?
Yeah.
Totally.
The
totally.
thoda sa characters.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I
Naughtiness.
see this girl,
Correct.
This one looks like my daughter. She behaves like this.
Yeah.
Even
we
my
will go,
daughters
make
like
their hair also,
I
When
know.
the hair is
I
happy,
know.
we even take a comb and, open their hair and, again tie a pony on them.
Correct. Oh, like we feel like हमारा बच्चा है
Yeah.
बाबा इसको like ऐसे लगना
this looks
photo
cute.
session तो it used to be like very funny
Yeah.
for us. We used to dress them.
I
Get them
witnessed
up.
this one of the photograph
Yeah.
in the photo session. So the photographer was saying smile, and even he did
Yeah.
this.
Correct.
Yeah, I know.
So it was difficult for them
Yeah.
because they see see the camera, then they were looking at the teacher. Then the teacher is saying like this, and he
Looks
says,
like
"Yeah." So
Actually.
They just obey totally.
obey
Yeah.
to
They
the
do what
teachers.
you do, they copy you. That's why, when we say first we have to blend our own values thing.
Values thing.
Because they totally reflect you.
Absolutely.
What you do, they do. You start telling don't use mobile, and in the class if we start talking on the mobile,
What's the use then?
what's the
What's the
point?
use of telling
First
them?
we have to change our ways of living,
Living,
for
very
them.
right, very right.
If the teacher has to be today a good teacher, you have to change yourself first.
Very
you
true.
preach what you say to them.
Right.
You tell them don't do this, first you stop doing it.
Very
then
true.
only you can teach them.
Right.
Today's even mamas tells them, my child, don't see mobile, but they themselves will be on reels. Pura reels, they could
I
dance.
think
karo,
this is
and they
something
do
that
it.
needs to be coordinated well with the parents and the
Very
teacher.
true.
They
Very
need to have a
important, very
proper, and they
important.
need to talk the same language.
Correct.
Because
Very
otherwise,
important.
I think the kids may get confused. School pe kuch or
Yes.
Yeah.
They're giving
very
us
true.
something else, whom should we follow?
whom should we
Practice
follow?
what you preach. That is very
Ah.
important. First thing is we need to be a role model for them because end of the day we are the heroes for them. Even market में मिलो कहीं बाहर मिलो like ma'am, my
Yes,
ma'am,
they come.
my ma'am, like
Yeah.
they come with really a big smile and they
How would be your emotions at that?
अरे really my
It
husband
feels
was
nice.
telling me श्रुति इस एरिया में ना तुम इलेक्शन पे
Hero. Yes.
इलेक्शन पे खड़े हो जाओ इट्स फाइन इतने लोग आते हैं वहाँ पे like वो आ गए ये आ गए like he used to tell इलेक्शन पे खड़े हो जाओ यार इस बार क्यों
you
why are
everybody,
stepping
yeah.
back so it was like a fun moment for us whenever we go
मस्ती
out
करते थे, but it was nice. Wherever they go, they have the respect.
And
Because they
very
have
true.
gone through the journey as a
Absolutely.
first teacher,
Wonderful.
they get up and come to greet you. So sometimes you feel this profession of being a teacher is such a noble one, and the respect which you get over here is like matchless.
Absolutely.
Totally
Well
matchless.
said, well said. Absolutely.
Wherever they come, they just get up and come towards you.
How
Where
cute.
you are, ma'am, and few of them just come and give you that hug. And you are our ma'am types.
Any
Achha, it's a
profession,
nice
any
feeling.
profession, like generally, like whatever it might be, they might be earning like crores, whatever, that's secondary for us, okay? But any parent, if they come and talk to the teacher, they come and address them as a madam. It's not like
Okay.
any singular word, okay? They always address them, even though
that,
they
yeah.
might be your doctors, teachers, whatever. The teachers are the creators.
Creators.
So they
Yes.
wait, the amount of respect and love what we get in teachers,
Teaching
I think
field, yes.
teaching field, definitely, I think nowhere we can earn this.
Matchless.
And
Totally
also when they keep
matchless, yeah.
taking promotion to next classes and all, when they grow up, and then when they come and address you sometime,
Yes, yes,
I think
it
that
has happened.
moment
Today,
is like
actually, today also I think when we are but like
Today
traveling.
we are on the way to this
Even we
thing.
have met few parents
Few
were telling,
parents.
"Ma'am, we really miss you."
I'm missing you.
Aw,
Why you're not
so
in that
cute.
institute? Why not on
Seriously,
this?
you-
Please come back. We want to spend time with you.
Seriously.
My younger one is coming to school, so you please come back
Come
to
back
school.
to school.
Yeah,
How
see, it's
nice,
not
how
like
nice.
I mean, very long back. It's today also we really had that one parent
One
coming
moment
and talking
coming,
to
yeah.
us on the way, and that really, whatever whatever
And I think
success.
those kind of moments give us a kick to do better.
Yeah.
That
Got
is
it.
the kick we get,
Kick
you know,
it,
you know,
uh-huh.
do it. You know, it feels a nice, very good factor it gives you, you know. Why
Hmm.
not? Yes. And it's not like intentionally we're trying to do more or something. It starts doing by, you know, okay, yeah, this way they're enjoying this way. Parents are liking this kind of a moment. Kids are enjoying this. We automatically start learning more.
What
actually.
next we can do?
And you can grow young when you're in teaching field. You
Really?
don't grow old.
yeah, because the बच्चा मरता ही नहीं है हमारे में
हमारे
हमेशा
में वो मस्ती रहती
हाँ.
है. And we have to keep learning ourselves.
Right, I was
And
about
to
to say
that
this,
level,
yes.
and we have to
Huh.
learn to their level.
Correct.
This generation, the different generation, Alpha RI, ARI, everything. But we have to go to every generation. So a teacher is the one who has to go through all the generation, go to that level of thinking.
Correct.
So every time we are exploring ourselves and learning. Would
Right.
have been any other field, you are doing only that level thing.
Correct,
But
totally.
teacher has to go through all generations.
Absolutely.
So that way your mind is always thinking. You're younger that way.
Right,
So you
and
start
also I
growing
think
younger.
you have to keep upgrading yourself
Yeah,
because
yeah, very
every
important, very
year
true.
there is a change,
Yes, there
something
is a
new
lot
coming.
of change in education.
Right,
Absolutely.
and not than only education, even the people, the way they are, like the kids also start thinking in a
Different
little
perception.
thought process itself is so different.
Correct.
Very
Right?
much.
Have you both faced any challenges like the kids come and say ask you some questions and you're like clueless?
Yeah, definitely.
I don't know.
No, definitely. But patch up हम लोगों ने अच्छी तरह से किया है. It's
Yeah,
not
I
like
know, we didn't show them, we didn't know
told,
the answers.
yes, this will be the next quiz for tomorrow, and we are going to come back and we'll have the quiz. So let's see. So we have done it, but it's not that we have not given them the answer.
Yeah.
But that day, if we were not prepared or we didn't know, definitely we have gone
Don't give
home.
wrong answers,
Yes,
yeah.
instead of giving the wrong answers or telling them, okay, that is what like covering up. It's better to have something that conversation again from the from the scratch.
Come
and-
prepared for it.
Yes, come
Yeah,
prepared.
Come prepared for
Okay,
it.
got it.
Preparedness.
So
That
you
is
know, a lot of preparedness for teachers. As we are speaking about teachers here, the teachers need to do a lot of groundwork when it comes to the class.
Ah,
You should be prepared.
prepared.
Don't give wrong information to
Correct,
kids
very
because
true.
they're learning from you.
Correct, very
If
true.
you have that, do some other activity that way, or have some fun in the class that day, and then come back when you're prepared for the
When
class.
they're prepared for the
But don't
class.
teach them with half knowledge,
Half
Correct.
half information.
Very true. And
That's
just
very
don't
harmful.
answer them just to answer. Okay, it's not
Yeah.
like, okay, that moment I have to answer, let me answer and finish it off. That's not
Because
required.
these kids blindly trust the teachers and say,
Totally.
"This is my Bhagavad Gita." Like,
Yeah, yeah.
whatever is written,
Totally.
and I am saying that
Yes.
is right.
Very true, very
Right?
true.
Sometimes they also may go back to school and to home and say, "You're not right. My teacher told me he's right."
It has happened
Very
many
true.
a times.
Yeah.
Like apart from the teaching, actually, what I do follow is I give them one tip. You know, today, start eating one tulsi patta. Weather is changing, so they go
Okay.
home and take that tulsi patta and eat. Now
That's
I'll
so
not
nice.
get cough. Like the
Huh.
small things now additional. Go out of the way in your teaching. Give them the additional tips. Today you start telling your mama, today I'm going to eat some flax seeds and give me some pumpkin seeds. They are like, from where are you learning? This is not for the syllabus, right?
Yeah, yeah,
This
correct.
is something additional you're doing, right? So this is for their health also.
Absolutely.
So we are just not grooming them with that only
Got it,
knowledge.
got it.
Life skills.
Even the life skills, what is good for their health,
Very
what
right.
they should eat. So that parents come back in PTM, they come and tell us, my child has learned about so many new things. How it can help them, how they can protect the environment, how to keep it clean. These values actually builds a good
I think this
citizen.
every teacher should have in
Yeah,
mind.
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
This is really a wonderful topic. It is not just you teaching them the numbers and the alphabets and the
Alphabets,
words.
yeah,
It is
exactly.
about leading your life,
Correct.
your health, your lifestyle,
life,
your
yeah.
future.
Definitely,
Right.
that really
And
brings
respecting, that's also
Ah,
very
very
important
right.
thing.
Empathy,
It's not
empathy
like,
is
see,
required.
even supporting staff in our classroom, they are also one among us. Whatever,
Very
in the
right.
classroom, respect them. Say thank you to them. When you go home, grandparents or the neighbors, always appreciate that. That thank you, thanking them, all these things are very important.
I think once
Way
they see
do
us doing
yes,
it,
exactly.
they will
We have-
start
They will
learning
start
those.
doing
Definitely.
it. When we respect the auntie in our
Aunties,
class
uh-huh.
and we tell auntie Banni Kutkoli, why not? So they're seeing. We don't
Huh.
have to teach them. Call them and sit. Today we are calling, tomorrow they call.
They will call.
Auntie Banni namdu sample maadi. They start
Correct.
using the
Got it.
respect to them.
Howದು,
It's
ಹೌದು.
how what you are.
Very
so we
true.
have to change ourselves for them.
Very
Correct.
right.
And even loving their grandparents, all those things.
Yeah, those
Definitely
values,
small
small
things.
things.
If they go home and tell their Ajji Tata how I mean, the
Today,
amount
go
of
tell him when you get up in the morning, hug your
Hug,
mama or
say good
grandparent
morning.
and say good
Yeah,
morning.
good morning.
Suddenly in the day, they get up in the morning and go hug them.
They
actually
actually-
so nice.
Nee.
They're like, "Ye kahan se hua?"
Because
It's come from school.
See, we might have
Yeah,
just
these are
told
the
them,
things.
but they do it actually. In
Yeah,
fact, they do
actually
it and they
do
come
it.
back and tell us.
ये बस नाम हक मार दे
हाँ,
ये बस
अजीत
तूने
आता के
हक-
होगी
आज
हक
हमने
मार।
हक किया आज मैंने फोन करके दादी को I love you बोला
See, all those
they
things.
come and tell that you
They're
know
so
we did
nice.
this
Absolutely, absolutely. I think
and
it
we
matters.
encourage one child other child will do it tomorrow
Very low. I totally
I
agree
just
this.
clap oh my god you really did that amazing superb give a high five so tomorrow my child even I did that tomorrow
Then
the child
again,
needs
because
that
of the
hug.
clap.
As
because
long as-
of the,
yes,
so
as
keep
long-
clapping and encourage everyone is somebody else will follow that
And
Very
see,
sweet.
for
When they are
them,
good,
it might
push
be a
them.
very small thing. It okay for the child, it's a big thing. Okay,
Yes,
please
that one
appreciate
clap,
that.
yes, makes a
it's okay
difference.
for us saying good morning, wishing, saying thank you. All these things, we as a grown up, we feel okay. Small thing. Like whenever I say sorry, that is automatically everyone keeps telling that.
Yeah,
but
it
for the
comes.
child, it might be a small thing, but definitely it brings a happiness, and it's a big thing for the
Totally.
child. Always appreciate. That is really
Right,
very important.
right.
Even for us also, when someone tells us yes, you can do it, definitely we're going to do it.
See, I think that's the inspiration that they
Yeah.
need.
Yeah,
Than
exactly.
saying that, okay, I don't think you can do, come back, let's do.
Yeah,
I
let
think
somebody
that-
else come.
Huh.
Yeah, that's-
So that itself demotivates and say, okay, I don't think
Totally.
next time that person will not come forward at all.
Correct, correct.
Right?
Absolutely.
Was there
True.
any time that
it's been pushed
say, yeah, that's been posed. So any time that you have learned something from the kids?
Arey Baba, it's like
Every
too
day is
many
a learning.
things, too
Yeah.
many things.
every day every child is different what you would have done to make the child to do is I suppose by encouraging them or giving them extra duty of distributing books might not work with other child so every child is different every child is unique we have to do every time a new learning for them
New learning.
Yeah.
That means the
It's-
teachers have to keep upgrading
Correct. Very
themselves.
true. Very true.
Yes.
I
See,
think
we
the-
may go with the preparedness. It's not like the teacher might be like prepared, like okay, chalo, I will do it. What this is what I have planned, and everything is ready. I'm going to do it. But once you enter the classroom, children will teach you how it has
How
to be
it
done.
has
how the day has to go
Yeah,
it's in their hands
it's their hands. If they're not comfortable listening to you that day, though, whatever preparation, it's
Will not
really
work.
becomes a
I
challenge.
think
for
I
them.
must, give that strong gratitude to all the educators.
Absolutely.
Irrespective,
Really.
irrespective of whatever the emotions that they're going through, their good times, bad times, the fights they've had, the whatever the hard time that they've had at home, and they would have gone. But once they enter into the
you
classroom,
forget everything you forget
there's always
Yes,
a smile
smile,
on their
yes.
face. Hey.
Correct,
Correct.
Absolutely, absolutely.
That cheer, that energy, that's really.
And you know what?
Totally.
When sometimes we might be like upset or that day, like we might not be prepared, but children can feel it. They will tell, ma'am,
Really?
ma'am,
Yes.
why you're not smiling today? They will keep staring our
we
face.
might start doing a book work
हाँ, we may-
अब mind नहीं रहता है और some में but you try to do happy things and again you come back to do back of the mind is there they come
They every
क्या हुआ ma'am you
and-
want me to give you a book
How?
they might
And
be
that
directly ask also but indirectly they can judge कि my mom is not
Happy
that
today.
Not in a
something
good
has
mood
happened.
today.
something
कुछ
has
हुआ
happened,
that
something is wrong, and that day the classroom will be very quiet. Believe it or not, that day
Really,
they will not make.
automatically they don't make noise that
They don't
day.
make no. Shh, ma'am is not. They can sense it.
Ma'am, do you
Really.
have headache? They'll come like
They
this,
will come and
headache?
ask.
Cute.
They
They
will
don't know कि you're upset or something. They don't know the word upset or something. They'll tell headache. You want me to press the last?
No, really, we have really experienced this. Okay, other times.
This point is making me too emotional.
Oh,
now.
really?
How
No, really.
cute,
That
how
definitely,
cute.
it's straight from the heart. We have experienced this. Whenever
Yeah.
we are not comfortable, the children are so quiet and keep observing us. Okay, whether we can make noise. Let's not trouble ma'am. Something is wrong with ma'am today. So let's be quiet.
I think that's why people
why,
always say those kids are like treated like God.
Yeah.
Why? Because
Totally.
the
Very
clean
innocent.
mind that they have, and
Very innocent.
Very
they
pure,
look at
very, very
everybody
pure,
at
yeah.
everybody at equal level. They don't have
Very
no
so-
so
Very
so
innocent.
very well. So
So
very
in
well.
fact, the playgroup class, I think, whatever, like other classes, definitely yes, the children can express. Playgroup class is like such a wonders we can see in the classroom. They start with a smile. They are like behind dupatta hai to like dupatta ke piche. I touch ma'am's dupatta. They keep touching. That see, we know they are touching.
Who wants to come and sit on the lap? Who
हाँ,
wants to stand?
so
who
who-
wants to stand next?
Oh,
who
like
wants to
that.
stand? All those kind of fights.
So ma'am ka like we can make out okay they are touching our dupatta, but still we want that. We also
Even
feel
we
nice.
like- we like
We love it. Okay. So that's I think the playgroup, whatever journey we have done today, whatever we might be, but still that's small things, small happiness
Yeah,
really
though
brings
now
me.
we are in a different position where you don't go to the class every day, but getting a chance, we always spend a lot of time
Lot of
inside
time
the
in class.
classrooms.
For that,
Yeah, so we go, like generally we go to the classroom, sit with the teachers, guide the teachers, why not this? So when teachers are seeing us do all that, they start doing it even now.
Okay,
Correct.
So
that's
we've
very
seen that
but
happen,
classroom is a
yeah.
happy place. Definitely, it's a happy place. We need to enjoy every moment, whatever it might be, like the way they share, what they are eating, and they keep telling us, "Ma'am, this is healthy. We should not eat outside food." When they keep telling us, now we feel really happy.
Yeah,
Arey,
okay.
Baba, children are like
Once in a way, kha bhi lo.
We only, and no. In fact, you know what? Sometimes now they get noodles, ma'am.
One day.
This week I've not eaten, ma'am. Only once in a week we can eat
they
now.
tell you that also?
Seriously,
How cute.
once in a week chalega na, ma'am. It's okay.
Sincere,
Okay.
very sincere they are.
Yeah, they are really sincere. They are really sincere. And after that, I don't think they will get one more week like they push it because they know it's not
And I
good.
tell them, Mama also, don't give me now, I've already eaten once.
Once.
Give me once again in the box. Now give me something healthy tomorrow. Give me fruits.
Fruits.
No, that's why they're developing that self they're not supposed to think. So yeah.
But good journey we have got. Definitely, we really appreciate. I've no complaints
Totally,
about
yes.
anything
That's nice.
past. Absolutely, we appreciate.
It's a clean, neat process,
Yes.
healthy environment, clean
Totally,
environment.
totally.
So positivity right there
And in the classroom, no one is there to judge you what you're doing. They are come with a so innocent soul. Like they are really like we really can't express that. The way they look at us, the way the smile, the way they are looking for us, what we are going to do, what is coming next. All those things, they don't judge us. Whatever we do now,
How we
they
talk, what
accept.
we talk, jo bhi hai, they're like, my ma'am is there in the
happy,
class.
okay.
My ma'am
Ma'am is funny, laughing
bas.
nicely, enjoying
my
with us.
ma'am.
Ho gaya kam.
Khatam. For them the day is done. yeah.
Absolutely. So my
So
first
teachers, be that small, always be happy.
Happy.
For the
Correct.
kids.
Just like their friends.
Come. Yes, treat
just
them
like
that.
that.
Absolutely. My first thing, like I started as a playgroup teacher. I really loved it. The way the children like taught me things now, it's really like I really can't forget that. Whatever we are, today, whatever we have achieved, whatever it is, but still the
Journey of
the
that.
playgroup things we learn from the children. Definitely, it makes difference for us. And we really want to thank Sunita ma'am. Really, she recognized, she identified, and whatever we have achieved, definitely without her support, without her things, I don't think.
I think there's always one, women at the back who can actually push another one. I think she set really a good example for both of you that,
Yeah,
she
definitely.
identified
Absolutely.
the potentials in you and pushed you across and
Yeah,
gave you that
definitely.
opportunity to prove yourself. I
She
think
gave
a
that
huge
flexibility for
gratitude
us.
to her.
Many times we thought actually, let's step back. A lot of things keep coming in
It
our
does,
mind.
it does,
But
yeah.
she was a driving force where she told women never
Don't give up.
For women, she
Don't give
definitely
up.
stands. Don't give up. It's
very
fine.
nice.
You have a problem. There's a solution. Let's work for the solution, and I am there to support you people at any point of time.
Amazing,
So
amazing.
that that's the journey. Like it has brought us still here.
You
so
won't
we
believe me, even in my journey, as I told you, I used to stammer.
Oh,
When
really?
I started, I was stammering in front of the camera and the speaker and the mic you give me. I used to stammer. I have my first annual day when I was thinking I could not speak proper sentences. I was scared.
Oh,
So it's
we can't
like-
even know that
I
she
know, I
had
know.
that
Yeah.
stage fear today.
So it was that level, and gradually it's been like, and ma'am herself tells me now, Renu, see this now, look at you now.
No,
Like,
that
yeah.
definitely, I think, as we told, now
We have
motivation.
grown,
We really
yeah.
appreciate ma'ams.
And,
We are really thankful to her. Whatever we both are, definitely.
And the
I
first
think
year,
through this
yes.
show, we really want to thank Sunita
Yes,
ma'am.
definitely,
Definitely,
yes.
ma'am. Whatever
And
it is.
my first year of my journey thing, till that years of 15, 16 years in the house, nobody had fallen ill. Okay, except my mom-in-law. I joined in May, June and July. Sister-in-law ka surgery, father-in-law ka surgery, kahi na ka eye surgery, all lined up in July after 1 month. So I
God.
started feeling so guilty about myself. I've gone and everybody's sick at home. I went to
God.
Sunita ma'am, I'm resigning today. I am done. I cannot take this. Because of me, everybody's sick at home. That's how I resigned. She's like, wait. You take 15 days, 1 month you take. I know you will come back. You will do wonderful after that.
See? I think
She
one
gave me that
leader
space.
like that,
Absolutely.
one leader like that,
way
who
she
can
gave me
push
that
you
15, 20
space.
days of time to come back again, where I felt I got stronger that time.
Okay.
When she trusting me, I should come back and
Yeah,
give her the
definitely,
money
we
back.
feel
Then
that.
I started giving my best then.
Yes.
That's
When I know
amazing.
that she's supporting me so much, when she's trusting me on my capabilities there, I should give back. That's when there's no looking back now.
So even
it's
in my
because of
case
Sunita
also
ma'am.
same thing. When my daughter required, like my presence. Definitely, ma'am told it's fine, no worries. You want to be with her for 1 week, you want to support her for the exam, that's fine. You take a break and come back, but never think about stepping back.
See,
Don't-
I think that's
Yeah, we
been a
need that
best
person
quality of a
behind, yes.
leader, saying
Very
that
true.
I'm not growing alone. I want my
Taking
team to
along
Very true.
grow
That's
along
totally
with
agree
it.
That
with
she's
that.
done that, yes.
Right?
She's
I
always
think
stood
so
behind
a lot
us
of
and-
gratitude to her on those
Definitely
days.
through the
Totally.
show, we both, Sunita ma'am, we really want to thank you.
Thank you, yeah.
Definitely, yes.
Amazing, amazing. I will also give my gratitude definitely to her
Definitely,
for
yes.
giving us an opportunity. Definitely, yes. Okay, now we have a lot of upcoming new teachers. Technology has improved. Even if you see the thought process of the parents are different, thought process of kids are different. What would be the advice that you actually want to give to the parents and to the upcoming teachers?
Okay. For teachers, definitely yes. Be what you are. Be passionate about your work. Don't do the work only you get some flexibility or see, end of the day, yes, money matters. You need to earn, you need to stand, you need to be independent. Definitely yes, totally accept. But you are creating the future citizens. Don't compromise on that.
Yes.
So one day if I don't teach, that guilt will be there. End of the day, like I have not done, I have not contributed today.
Come with the sincerity.
Come with whatever it is. Don't, once you enter the classroom, please give the best.
Give the best.
Don't compromise on that. After you, if you're tired, please take a break. It's okay, no worries. 10-15 minutes, you go take a break and come back to the classroom. But when you're in the classroom, you be your fullest.
Yourself. Okay.
And give that 100% to the children. Don't compromise on that at all. That's very important as a teacher.
One, what you want to give advice to parents, because they're very, very sensitive off late right now. Even chota mota, they will start saying the school did not take care, the teachers were not responsible. Then there's always episode which goes on. What one small advice if you have to talk about today's generation parents?
Today's generation, one sincere advice is spend a lot of quality time and don't be overproductive. And their children will definitely grow. They will become great individuals. Spend that time and don't be overprotective with the children. Give them the space of learning. Yeah, that's very important for the parents to realize you're allowing them to grow when you're giving space. If you always hold them, the growth hampers. They say, na, you always hold them time, you're not giving the growth happen. So give them the space to grow.
Very
Trust in your child. Always give a lot of claps to your children and don't keep correcting them for everything.
Got it.
That's
The
okay.
more you keep
And again,
correcting,
comparison also.
Stop doing all of it. Then you'll see the way the child turns out to be. He's going to be a different person by themselves. And if you're always doing the work for your child, oh my child, I will do it for you. You sit. It's okay if the child gets a glass of water,
Exactly.
right? You give them the freedom to go get a glass of water, or you keep 10 mates around them, give them a glass of water. Your
what's the point?
parenting
Very
is happen.
true.
It's not that, you allow the child to do it themselves. There's nothing harm. Ask them to take their own plate and put it in the sink.
I would rather say my daughter, she
Yeah,
washes
go
her own
kids.
dish and then
Yeah.
keeps
Let
it.
them do it. Let them do
If
it.
these
It's
small
fine.
kids can't do it, let them just rinse and keep it at least.
True.
Because tomorrow your maid is coming and washing them, so give them a cleaner plate. The small things if the parents are taking forward for a child, there'll be a different generation coming forward.
Very
The
Absolutely.
whole universe would be a better place to live in. There's
And
a lot of
to add on to this, okay, overprotective, I think the parents should stop doing that. It's okay. Let them bloom, let them fly. Okay.
Yes.
And one more thing is definitely teach them to learn to respect the teachers. That's very important.
And never talk about
the
school
teacher
or the teacher in front of the child.
Never ever
Don't
talk.
talk.
It's not at all
If you
good.
have some problem, go personally. Not
It's
in
okay.
front of the
Teacher
child,
ne kuch
yeah.
bola. Is it beta? Let's see. We will talk
It's
to the
okay.
teacher.
That's your
It's
teacher.
fine.
Respect.
Even she's your teacher, right?
Exactly. The
Address
second
in-
mother, I would
Yeah,
call
second
it.
mother.
Second mother.
So address in other way. Oh, teacher ne data, kaise data teacher ne? Don't do that.
Exactly.
It's
I
fine.
will go tell her. How
Yeah.
can she do
She
to
do
my
do.
child?
So see,
Oh,
end
you
of
still get some parents like that?
Yes, we have
See-
a lot of parents who are very anxious. We call them, anxious kind of parents. Those who are ready to fight parents, who don't want the child to get a small scratch at school or anything like that. Those kind of parents, few of them are very supportive.
Then-
So we have all kind of parents.
See, it's like a mix.
Yeah.
Definitely, everyone will
So,
have their own
yeah.
way of thinking. Everyone, it's fine. Sometimes they can't. They will be possessive because they will have only
Possessive
one
parents.
single child. That's fine. We don't say it's a wrong thing, but always teach your child about respecting your
Respecting.
teacher, because that really matters. Because when the child comes, it comes with that trust. It comes with that wholehearted to accept teacher whatever she is.
Whatever she is,
Okay,
true.
so always build that bonding between the teacher and the child. It's not like, okay, teacher, she okay, let me think. How can she give this? How can she put 2 marks? See, all those things are secondary.
Secondary, true.
She is the second mother in the school. Please,
She can
don't.
scold also. It's
Yeah,
okay.
she has that
Yeah,
rights.
sometimes we need to give them discipline also.
Very right.
And discipline doesn't comes with always being too lovely.
Too lovely.
Yeah, you have to be strict at times. A class can
True.
be maintained only when you are correcting them when they are wrong.
When they're wrong. Very
Yeah,
right.
so
very
you
right.
cannot correct them telling them, ha, you did wrong.
Wrong.
It cannot come that way. It has
She's-
to be
yeah.
little in a strict way also
See.
sometimes. You need to give them that stare.
Stare,
Absolutely.
You know, you don't have to go hit them. Right? You just give them that look. The children can
They should
judge
feel
them.
that it
They
is a
should feel it's
discomfort look
discomfort.
for them.
Yes.
Very true.
Yeah.
And
That's it.
Teacher
and
is
even
not-
parents should know to tell no to the child.
Correct.
Not agree to all the needs.
All the needs.
Every time they say I want it, don't go buy them immediately.
Got it.
Let them understand the value for that and then get them. You know,
I hear you.
You let
They
them earn it.
Absolutely, they should
That's a
earn
good
for
deal.
it.
Correct.
They
Very
So
should
they
right.
should
earn.
have the value for things.
Very true.
So
You know,
yeah.
that's very important thing. Otherwise, very difficult.
Difficult
Because
too.
teachers now, like in future, if we like not respect a lot of things, like we keep hearing about the teachers, that is not done, how the class, we will not find the good teachers. The passion comes
They
down.
will not. Very
है ना?
true.
Totally.
है ना? That-
आजकल even parenting is through books a lot. Many parents, आजकल के generation के parents are coming through books. They're
Oh.
reading a lot of books and coming, and it's very different with every child. The circumstances gets different. So how you treat to that, the child decides the circumstance. It's not
Got
the
it.
book.
Book,
So
okay.
don't be narrowed by the book
Books and
learnings.
all,
Yeah.
yes.
And most of
It
them
gives you a knowledge, yes, definitely it gives you a way of looking at the children, how to care for it. That gives you a knowledge when to change diapers and for the younger ones and all that. But yet the way that itself teaches you, the nature itself
Nature
will teach
teaches
you
you.
what is your step for your child,
Correct.
what is better for the child.
See-
So go with the flow, don't follow more
Follow
of.
YouTube can teach. Okay, it's not that YouTube can't teach
It tells
ABC,
you how many
right?
times to feed
Then
the
why?
child, how many times to give, what to feed. These days parents don't give them sugar. These days parents don't give them anything. We have grown eating sugar.
Exactly.
Yeah, we have grown up falling. We have grown up eating anything, junk. But these days, parents don't give them anything.
Anything.
They're very particular. Brown sugar, they start giving them. You know, it's
They
okay.
used
Allergy.
to make them
Give
very
them
sensitive.
everything. Yeah, the body
Right.
will not have that immunity. Give them everything, to
Everything
eat.
that they want.
But give in moderate quantities.
Very
Yeah,
right.
you-
that
should
control
know.
you can have that. But give them everything. The body has to get used to everything.
Used to everything.
And
Very right.
vegetables, give them all vegetables to eat. Make some colorful dish out
Dishes
of it.
for them.
You know, it has to be the, they say how your life is colorful, you make your food colorful.
Food colorful.
More the colorful thing, the more nutrients
Nutrition.
go to it.
Very right.
Absolutely.
So, you know, you become what you are. You become what you eat.
Very eat.
So,
Very
you know, end of the day, it is the parent and teacher together for
Together
a good child.
for a
yes.
good-
Correct.
very right.
Very
That is how
so,
they
yeah.
nurture them very well, because hand in hand has to go on.
It has
It
to
is
go,
not
yes.
only with parents or only with the teachers.
Totally.
It has to
Only
be hand
teacher
in
can't
hand.
do everything.
Totally.
See,
So
teacher
they
is
say,
not
yeah.
a like see, she can create magic in the classroom. She's not a magician. Okay,
Yeah, very
she
well
can
said.
create the magic. Okay,
Yes.
for that, always the parent and teacher,
Has
the
to
mutual
work together.
understanding should be there. Don't judge the teacher. Like if she is not today, there might be few things like loopholes. A lot of things might be there, but never come. Don't be judgmental for that.
Judgmental, huh.
Teachers are also want to. I mean, teachers also want to do it in a creative way. Allow them also understand, mutually help each other for the growth of the child.
Got it.
Let's not be judgmental. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Teachers also have their own life. They also come up with a lot of
Lot of
hurdles.
things.
They are also doing their job. Let's accept that and mutually let's build that future citizens.
Very true.
That's
Totally
very
agree.
important
Yeah.
thing.
Totally.
That's we feel really. Otherwise, definitely. The teachers, we will not be seeing future. We may have to see only the robots in the classroom.
True.
Okay, if the
I
teacher,
don't know emotions at
no
all,
emotions.
exactly.
See, we have YouTubes. Everything could be taught. Why the parents are not teaching at home? Because that warmth,
That
that
warmth,
touch,
that emotions
and that
are
touch.
there.
that touch,
feel,
the emotions that the AI can't give it,
Very
right?
true, very
The
true.
teacher is the one person who can give that warmth, the love, the affection. She can bring that magic in the classroom.
With this,
Totally.
no, with both of your conversation, I totally can feel how passionate that you are about, the teacher role. So you've played the role of a teacher, now moved into academic. What next? What more? Waiting the way.
So yeah. So actually, we tell you that this field is you go for the flow. Actually, you know, when you're sincere, it itself will give you the directions.
Very
So we never thought like, you know, at this I would have become an coordinator to
Never.
an academician. You don't know how the journey is taking you. You just do your hard work, your
That's it.
sincerity. The life itself will take you where you have to go.
Absolutely.
You don't have to really work out towards something and goal to reach. You will reach when you're sincere. Yeah, you need to be really sincere in your work.
See, we
Do it with your heart.
Very true.
And be very, very, I'm very openly telling you, don't think of achieving something. If I do this, I'll get this.
Got it.
You
Don't
will
be
never
selfish
get
in
that.
way.
Totally, yes. You just give your best, things will happen. Life is there, universe is there, watching you, do your best, and don't cheat anybody.
see,
Yeah.
that is definitely, don't work with the expectation.
Expectations
okay?
and
Let's
cheat.
not have the expectation. See, zindagi na milegi dobara. This is what a one
100%
zindagi we have got
totally
it.
agree.
Let's
Yeah, so
enjoy,
live life, be
enjoy
happy
this.
in what you do, and give your sincerity.
That
give
is-
your
I know,
100%.
I'll talk about a little secret about both of them.
Oh,
Right? I have to talk about. You've had passion for hosting, anchoring.
Yeah,
Tell us something
Okay.
about it. That's like, you know,
Okay.
the twin sisters with from different
Jai Viru,
mother,
Jai Viru
and
वापस
then
आ रहे हैं.
Jai Viru's strength out there. being also
not
an
many
anchor.
people know about it.
Yeah, correct,
so they've
correct,
just
correct.
seen us in school that we do hosting for schools. So suddenly we thought, okay, let's try
Why not?
somewhere
हम
else.
लोग hosting करेंगे.
So we
चलो,
started
let's-
our own company called MC RAS.
MC Ras. What is
MC Ras?
RAS is that
Renu and Shruti.
Renu and Shruti ka.
Oh my God.
MCing ka, we have an own Insta page where we had, taken that challenge where we want to do something else. Yes, we are doing, we love this, no doubt. But something which we like doing together.
Okay,
You know,
okay.
we
Very
started.
true. We enjoy
our-
each other's company,
In
definitely.
this
yes.
is the field where we met each other, so very grateful for this field also
Absolutely.
that I got to know her.
Actually, very true.
So after that, our bond had growing, actually, and we started MC Ras, and we had some corporate events to do. We had many more events to do, birthday parties. We did a lot of things. So again, we're not able to give enough time, so it was just kept aside. So we could not
Somewhere
do
I
much on
think,
that.
just
We couldn't give time.
Yeah, pani dahi de pa rahe. I think somewhere I think we again have to start watering that, let it grow.
Let it-
So that's what.
I think both of you should actually carry forward that passion right now. Don't leave that because both of you build that kind of vibe there, and you have a very
Sure.
good
Sure, let's-
understanding.
yeah.
Go
Thank
with it.
you. Yeah,
We're almost coming to an end.
Oh my
Okay, so
God.
much of conversation. I just don't know how the time flew.
I know.
No,
So
Seriously.
much
yeah,
of points
not
that we
really,
discussed. So before we get in there, I had requested for a small homework before you
Yeah.
came in here. To write a river of your
River of
life.
life.
Okay, I just want you to share your experience while you were writing the river of life.
But I think first Renu has to tell this. I think
Yeah.
she had a
actually-
lot of things. I think go for it, please.
Okay. So River, actually it was really nice writing it actually. We live in the present. We live in what we are today and what we might become tomorrow. And when we sat back writing in the river of life and going through our journey, it really actually made I was almost in tears when I was reading it. When I was writing the points, I didn't realize it. But when I started reading it, I thought all my family had something to add on to my journey, Like even my brother kept telling, wish I could have not stopped. I could have stood on my parents and told them, allow her to
Allow to
study.
study.
Everybody had their own guilt. When I was reading all that, today I see everybody so happy seeing me like this. So I was so happy seeing my journey to where I stand today. So a lot of gratitude to everybody around me. So that river of life give a good reflection to me myself to see how it's come. So everybody can have a journey. The uniform will support you. You just take a step and universe is there to support you. What you do, it comes back to you, they say, na? So it's there. If you're doing something today, tomorrow is going to be yours.
Yours.
Yes,
So
tomorrow
true.
definitely is there. So I'm an example for that. It's in that. If I've not lived that life, I might have not got this
Got
life.
this life.
If I've not given that sincerity, then I might have not got this today.
How nice said.
So
Very
I'm
nice
happy
said.
my journey was this. I'm happy to look back at my journey actually. I have no regrets that my 15 years was not done anything. But I'm happy I did that. So I'm
Nice.
thankful to the universe also to giving me an opportunity at every stage of life.
See,
And
that's
I'm looking
amazing.
forward for more. Let's see.
How nice, how nice.
So thanks. Yeah, it was great actually writing this.
Yeah.
Nice. How was your experience?
Yeah, I mean, if I think about the river of journey, it was like a movie playing for me. Okay, going back, flashback.
Flashbacks.
When I was childhood memories, lot of things like maybe it might have faded in our busy schedule. I might
Yeah,
have never
actually.
thought, oh, my life was like this. Who
So
all
true.
were there with me at every point of my time. My brother, sister, my dad when I was very young. After I got married, my husband, my daughter, my in-laws,
Everybody,
the
yeah.
amount of support they have been giving me is amazing. I think I need to thank each and everyone in my life. ಜನರಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಈಗ ನದಿ ಹರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಲ್ಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ನದಿ ಅಲೆಗಳು ಬಡ್ದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ದು ಶೇಪ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಲೈಕ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಮ್ಮ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ನನ್ನ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಇನ್-ಲಾಸ್, ಮೈ ಡಾಟರ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಲೈಫ್,
In the journey,
they
yes.
appreciated me. Few came as a critics, but all those things as a stone,
Shaped.
it shaped my life.
Shaped my life.
So ಆ ನದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಲು ಆ ಬಡದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಲೈಕ್ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದು, ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್
It's
ಇಸ್,
important.
it changed my shape.
Shape.
So I really look forward like shaping my future in a better way, whatever it comes. It might be appreciation, or sometimes yes, feedback can be negative also. It's fine. It's difficult to take. I'm very sensitive in that way. Really, I think a lot.
Yeah,
Even
I've
Renu
seen her.
keeps telling.
I've seen her. Itna dedication, she thinks over the whole thing.
I'm
takes
very
it
sensitive.
too much to the heart very fast.
And I can't think
I
about.
let go, yeah.
And even ನನಗೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ I can't think about something bad for
Bad
them.
for them,
Definitely,
yeah.
ನನ್ನ ಕನಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ I can't think. Okay, when
It's
someone
okay, they have done their karma.
Karma.
We have to do.
yeah, so when like sometimes I keep telling her also, Renuku, like I keep sharing you many a times,
Yes,
right?
definitely.
When I'm very sensitive person, nange
She's very
tumba like
sensitive, yeah.
I take it to my heart. Did I do that? What else I can do? Something like maybe that made me strong. Nan tumba like I used to burst out, I used to cry a lot, but now I'm trying to become a different person. So thanks to you also,
Definitely.
dear. Thanks to you also, definitely.
Yeah, definitely. I've seen
So
the
that's why I'm
difference in you.
telling you, both of
Yeah.
you are actually soul sisters.
Oh my
the way
God.
that both of you bond
Correct.
well and all those. And I
Definitely.
think
We support
both
and
of
understand.
You, yes, and I think with the story of both your personal life and the professional life that you brought in, I'm sure it's going to be a lot of inspiration to other people. Because
Hope so,
somebody
yeah.
who's always in 15 years is not a small time. It's really a long period. You've just covered yourself in a small shell, and you come out, and the way you're nurturing today, amazing. It's truly an inspiration,
Thank you
right?
so much
And
for
you
this,
coming
yeah.
from a small town again, getting into the metro world to understand, somebody who's already fast forward, with communication skills, dressing sense, their lifestyle, whatever, and getting there to challenge and saying that, dude, I'm there always here, and
Correct.
that's a personal way, okay? And professionally, the way you both have started as a teacher, and the way you've grown, that when I'm talking to you, I was like, look at the passion that they have. I could
Yeah.
see that kind of happiness, that kind of proudness that
Absolutely.
both of you had, thinking, oh, I know that child, I know this child, I think this should be done, that should be done. I love the passion and the kind of
So sweet.
vibe
Yeah,
that
I
both of
know.
you
Thank
had.
So sweet.
Okay, that shows it off on your face. I thoroughly enjoyed the conversation with you. I'm sure my audience will definitely have the same
I hope
thoughts
they do
Thank
enjoy.
as I have enjoyed.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay,
What
before
about
we
this
end up
show?
once again,
Before we
I'm
end up,
coming to that.
we want to ask
We
some
want to
question
ask
to
you
you,
something,
okay?
yeah.
Yes, Shalini ma'am, आपके लिए ये 10 करोड़ का question है. It's not 1 crore, it's a 10 crore question.
Yes. What
Why?
made you get us together like this on
Yes.
this show?
Okay.
You know?
See, I've known you both for almost like 9 months right now.
Okay, yes.
Jan
14.
No, Jan, right, from Jan 14.
Before that also.
Yeah,
I think
before
one
that.
we
Because
had
I interviewed both of you
Yeah,
there.
yeah, you were the ones who
we were like
interviewed us.
कौन शालिनी मैम हमें
Interview,
फोन
HR
करेगी?
का interview
Yeah,
में।
शालिनी से फोन आएगा. I was like, who is this? Like we were waiting. शालिनी से फोन आ गया क्या?
फोन आया, मुझे फोन आया।
नहीं, अगर she calls ना, please let me know what all she
What
asked.
all she's
We were
asking.
both
We
were
have to
like,
prepare
yeah,
ourselves.
we were like that, but we were not prepared at that point of time also. To be frank.
Yeah.
But
Oh
yes.
no, because you both were not prepared, you gave your best. Right? That's more important.
Totally, yeah.
Right? See,
Now
why
why
I
are we
had
here?
wanted both of you is with the kind of passion that you have for early childhood, you have seen the ups and downs in life. Okay? And I felt that you both will definitely be a true inspiration story for other women there who's watching you, who can say that put one step forward. It is okay to take that risk. Okay?
Correct, correct.
Have that courage to say, I can do it, let me do it. Okay? And they can see stars. That is one thing. And I've always seen both of you bringing in positive vibes at any environment that you go in. Okay? And I like the fun, the naughtiness that both of you always have. And
True,
always
actually.
laughing,
Oh,
smiling.
God.
I always pray God that both of you
Absolutely,
remain like
really.
this
Very
Thank you
forever.
so much
Absolute,
for
thank
this.
you,
So
thank
much
you so
energy.
much.
So that's one of the reason I thought definitely with the the story that you have behind and what you have grown till now would definitely be a great story for others to come out of their comfort zone.
True.
So I thought it would
Sure.
definitely give an additional,
Oh my
you
God.
So
an
sweet.
additional
So
treat to my
sweet.
audience.
Oh, lovely.
So that's
Okay.
why I
Yes.
had
दिल
to-
खुश हो गया
I
शालिनी मैम,
know.
दिल खुश हो गया.
I know.
Thank you so
I hope
much.
we bring in some change in some of them at
if
least.
one
take
person
them.
also, I mean, finds it really, it's valuable.
Yeah,
Definitely,
it's
we will be the
valuable.
happiest person.
Yeah, that
and
we are
thankful
able
to
to
you.
touch.
You identified both of us. I don't know how far we have done justification, but still we tried our best
I
to.
think you were best. And what do you think about this show, Midway Masters?
Wow, that's wow. बोलते हैं ना, like
No, it's a wonderful opportunity actually. If not today, I might have not looked back to my journey. I might have not appreciated myself.
Correct.
It's good to appreciate yourself sometimes. Look back and say, yes, I've done it. I
And-
can look forward for more.
And-
And opportunities for others who are not able to do it. So you're giving a lot of platform to many people who are not reaching there, right?
Right.
So it itself gives a lot of confidence to you. So this show has brought in a lot of confidence. I don't know if you're coming here and talking like this, itself it's a nice feel actually.
See-
You're giving a platform for us to speak about ourselves.
See,
So that
what
way-
we have seen is like the platform. We get it for the beginners, okay, the startups and all we get, and for the one who have already achieved a lot of
Achieved it,
things.
yeah,
They
yeah.
will have a lot of podcasts, they have a lot of platforms, and there are a lot of shows to host them. But this is something, the Midway Masters is something really unique you have come up with, Shalini ma'am. I think we need to
We
appreciate,
really appreciate you for this.
because
It's
people
amazing,
might have
yeah.
achieved a lot of things, people might be the beginners, but this is a midway where they have seen both the phases. They have not achieved what they wanted to, but they have seen that hurdles
or
and
they might have
initial
got
things.
stuck in the journey, somewhere.
Yes.
So we are trying to give them, ignite that.
Exactly.
You're
Yes.
giving a way to the people out there who are waiting to, continue the journey but lost somewhere. So, you're giving a lot of push to so many people. I'm sure you've already touched so many lives with your
Definitely,
podcast.
definitely.
Yes? So all the
And-
best to you.
fingers
And
crossed.
many, absolutely.
Definitely.
It's not like just we want to appreciate you,
Yeah.
but definitely this will be the driving
Bring in
force for each and every woman who is looking for her dreams to be achieved. Definitely, we need to appreciate
Yeah.
you, Shalini ma'am, for that.
So all the
Definitely.
best for many more
So-
successful events for you.
Thank you so
keep
much.
growing
Thank
with
you.
this and keep motivating people like this.
And we will look forward for many more people sitting here and sharing their thoughts and
Thoughts.
bring changes in everyone's life.
Thank you so
Yes.
much. Thank you.
Thank
And firstly,
you.
thank you so much for making time for here, spending it 1.5 to 2 hours of
Pleasure is
time
all.
with us.
हमने मजाक
हम
किया.
लोग yeah.
And thank you so much for being a part of the
Absolutely.
show.
Thank you.
All right. And
Thank you.
thanking them, giving them alvida, I just want to say that I enjoyed the conversation with them. I'm sure as much
Me
as
too.
I
Me
have
too.
enjoyed, I'm sure you're all going to be enjoying the show as well. So people who are in their internal shell, please come out, have that courage. Just one small step can take you and you can see the sky there. So don't push back saying that it can't happen. It will definitely happen. It is just say, I can do it. And thank you so much.